Let's hit it.
Oh, did you bring the directions?
Don't need them.
Positive energy.
Positive energy.
Man will do anything for a woman.
Oh, wow.
This is gonna be smooth as butter.
Don't tell my wife that.
Great partnerships in history.
1, 2, 3, and let's dance.
I expect a husband of mine to be more refined.
The thrill is gone.
I know the feeling.
I was exhausted.
This is marriage. There is no whining in marriage.
Tommy and Susie spend lots of quality time together outside the bedroom.